we finally got the missing pieces to assemble the Evo. We finally got the missing pieces to be able to finish the red Evo 8. We got brand new plated hardware for all of our steering and suspension components and bolts. It's here plated. And we also got all of our control arms with brand new Y-line bushings. Again, huge shout out to Y-line for supporting this build. You guys could get $20 off. I'll put the code right here on the left hand side. And also huge shout out to Seth for giving me a hand and installing all of these bushings. The Evo community is just amazing. Thank you, Seth. I really appreciate you. But let's get into this hardware. I had such a hard time finding somebody that will plate bolts, sink plate bolts. I don't know why here in Miami it's been impossible for me to find a shop. I found a shop that does cadmium plating and they told me, hey, it's almost the same thing as sink plating, and I gave it a shot and it didn't come out that bad. Honestly, it looks way better than before. Obviously, all of these bolts were like crusty, gray, rusty. Some of them were actually still sink plated, but this is way, way better than before. But I'm still not super content. It's really good. Like, don't get me wrong. It's pretty good, but zinc plating has more of a shiny finish. This kind of has more of a matte zinc plated look. It's not perfect like zinc plating. Let me show you guys a bolt real quick, just so you guys know this is more or less what zinc plating looks. It's more shinier. I know this bolt's super crusty and old, but there is quite a difference. But I'm honestly super content. You can't go wrong. Something that's crazy, and I'm curious to see what you guys think. Please comment down below what you guys think about the cadmium plating. I've honestly even been contemplating on actually finding somebody that does zinc plating, because this is the way zinc plating looks, and hopefully you guys can see in the camera. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick all of the details on the zinc plating, but it is way shinier than this look right here. This is more of like a matte finish, but again, just curious to see what you guys think. If you guys think this is good enough, if you guys think I'm crazy and this should be perfectly fine, or if I should actually zinc plate this. I'm not gonna assemble the car right now. I'm gonna assemble it probably next week or so. So I still have some time to decide, but I think I'm gonna honestly stay with these bolts the way they are. But I just wanted to know your guys' opinion to see what you guys think. Is it fine, or am I being too crazy? I think honestly this is fine for now. But again, just wanted to know your opinion. Comment down below. And then also the control arms, super happy with the way they came out. Brand new bushings everywhere. This whole car should handle brand new once we finish installing all of this, which is super exciting. First thing we're gonna do today is we're going to ceramic coat these control arms. They're not super perfect. I didn't go like all the way crazy. I wish I had a vapor hone so I could just vapor hone all of these parts and they'll come out brand new. But what we are going to do, since I did sand them and clean them up, what we're going to do is ceramic coat all of these control arms so they don't get crusty again and they always look this clean and nice. We are going to be using G-Technic C5, same thing we use for the wheels and our beloved calipers. Same process as before. Wipe it down with panel wipe before and then apply your coating. Alrighty, quick pause from the control arms as they cure. I just got a phone call to pick up another car part for the red Evo 8. I'm actually super excited for this one, so let's go ahead and pick it up real quick. make it back to the garage, I wanted to take a quick break and present to you guys the sponsor of today's video, which is Simply Carbon Fiber. This is a company I really like when they reached out, because they make products with real 100% authentic carbon fiber, which me as a car enthusiast, I freaking love. They sent me over one of their carbon fiber wallets and I really liked it. It's super light. You can fit your day-to-day stuff, 6 cards and cash, and it doesn't feel bulky and heavy like regular wallets always feel. I'm gonna put the link in the description down below, and they were also kind enough to offer you guys 10% off with code CHRIS10. It will mean the world to me if you guys could go check them out, as they're supporting me and this channel. But anyways, let's go ahead and get back to the garage. We have made it back to the garage, and we have our race paint matched center caps finally back from HD Works. These look amazing. I can't wait to put them next to the wheel and see if the paint match is 100% to the T. Again, you could get these adapters from HD Works. They're the only ones I think in the market that work for Evo 8s and Evo 9s because of our axles. That little spindle right there that comes out ends up hitting the center cap and you're not able to use them. But anyways, moment of truth. Let's see if HD Work was able to paint match this to the wheel. Oof, yes, dude. Holy shit. Holy crap, that looks crazy. That's like, that literally looks like it came from Rays, just like that. Holy crap, it looks so good. Here's like this. So no more not using a center cap. Again, for all the T37 SLs, Rays does not make center caps for these wheels. So that's why you need to find a solution, and this is the perfect solution. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the wheels from here and actually mount them with the little O-rings. This looks so cool. Real quick, I wanted to explain to you guys exactly what this is, because I didn't explain that. These are Rays ZE40 center caps. These are the low types. I'll make sure that I link them down below in the description, just in case you want to get center caps for your T37s. And then this outside is a ring adapter that HD Work makes, and it's super simple. Obviously, you put the original center cap, the Ray center cap on top, and then we're gonna put this O-ring. And once we put the O-ring, it's a matter of making sure you put it in straight. There we go, and that's straight. And that's pretty much it. That's all it takes. Again, I'll make sure that I link the adapters on HD Works website, and then the Race center cap, which you could get anywhere. Just put CE40 low types on Google, and then look at this. Holy crap. I'm still super impressed with how perfect that paint match was. Pete, you are a god when it comes to painting. He paint matched these, and he was also the one that paint matched this JDM bumper to the color of the car, which is just crazy how close it's paint matched. But anyways, let me go ahead and finish every single wheel. Now we are officially ready for assembly. If you guys haven't watched everything that happened with this red Evo 8 since I bought it, then you should definitely go see this playlist right here. Since I bought the car, I've been documenting everything. But anyways, I'm gonna end the video there. Like always, keep grinding, stay safe, stay positive, take care.